is our cooling tower. And once again, it is being used to move heat from the inside of the building to the outside of the building. It's taking large drops of water, making them small drops of water, and we're expelling the heat. We have a water temperature difference of about 10 degrees between the water going into the tower and out of the tower. And so when you look behind me, I've got a series of very large diameter pipes. Those pipes take this chilled water, this cooled water, and send it down into the building, where each of the individual heat pumps are connected to. Where if you look at a standard heat pump that might be in a small situation in a residence, and we have a fan that's pushing that heat up off of the condenser into atmosphere, instead of pushing the atmosphere, we're pushing to water. And so we've got one pipe that cycles down into the building, cool water, for which the heat pumps get to take and extract its heat, move it over to the other side of the water, and bring it back to the system and have it cycle over and over and over again. Your specialty consultant will understand that. But for you, as a commercial property inspector, knowing that this is a heat pump, it's just a very large water chilled system that has this cooling tower that is pushing the heat up the atmosphere, will help you better understand the HVAC system as you go into each of the individual units themselves. Identifying backflow prevention devices is part of the ComSop. And you're going to find the main backflow prevention device, or at least attempt to find it on every commercial building. But that won't just be the only backflow prevention you'll have. There could also be other backflow prevention devices for individual components in the building. An excellent component that should have backflow prevention protection would be a cooling tower, like the one we have here. The cooling tower is an easy element to contaminate the potable system if it wasn't for this backflow prevention device that we have right here. This backflow prevention device prevents any water from going back into the potable system, contaminating the building or the municipality. So when you're looking and identifying these backflow prevention devices, the first thing I look at is look for leakage, and I want to make sure my arrow is pointing in the flow of the water for which I need it to travel. And then it prevents any water from going back this way past this device. In addition to this backflow preventer, I also have a pressure reducing valve that drops our pressure down to the using pressure that we need for this appliance. But this is the key element that I'm looking for in my backflow prevention of this cooling tower and protecting this building.